Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be doing some TPT May product planning. Somehow it is the beginning of May and I'm just getting back into the swing of everything. So from now on you're going to see regular videos. I've been sick lately and I've been busy with work. But all of that is winding down. I'm feeling better, so I need to get back into the swing of things. One thing I'm trying to do this year is not to beat myself up about things that I did not get done, but instead just getting right back on track. So for the month of May, we are starting to see kind of the end of the school, and this is going to get into our down season. And I'm preparing myself that I'm not going to be making any sales over the summer. If I do, that is wonderful. If not, that's okay. So basically, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be finishing up a few resources that I started making that I did not get published. So for May, I'm going to finish up my Easter resource. And I have a spring resource that I need to finish. And I'm going to list those. And then I want to make a Memorial Day resource. As well as like maybe a summer resource. And for spring, you could do a lot of different things. You could do worksheets. You could do things about like plants, which if you did things about plants, this would be a great double purpose for Earth Day next year. So if you did like maybe some resources about different plants, that would be interesting. And then Memorial Day, you could do worksheets. And then maybe something informational about what is Memorial Day. And then summer resources, you could do worksheets. Maybe something like what I want to do this summer. And those are kind of plenty of things for me to work on for May. Also, something that I am wanting to do is I want to revamp my TPT store. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a list. And I'm going to take a hard look at my shop and I want to see what is selling. So I want to review what is selling. Delete. I hate this, but I'm gonna delete earlier products. So that I have a realistic number. I started off with 25 products when I really took TPT seriously, and with the way my shop shift more to seasonal and art related products, I want to delete my random earlier products that aren't selling, because I feel like it gives me an artificial number of how many products I actually have. So I'm going to go through there, do that. Don't worry, I'm going to make a video about revamping my TPT store. And then I want to look at what feedback I received and improve listing. I think I had some feedback on some of my better products that they wish they had a worksheet, not just an easel worksheet, so I'll go back in. It's going to take a little bit of time to relink everything and restructure the files, but I want to definitely go back, add these worksheets to them. And then I want to make a plan for summer. So for a general plan for summer, I am looking to set myself up for success for the fall. So I'm thinking starting in June, I really want to go crazy and start making my resources for fall. I want to look at my categories is also something. Um, Restructure categories. And I want to restructure my categories so that I have a really good representation of per holiday or per specific category, how many resources do I have in that? Because I want to make it so that if in the fall I get sick or I get busy and I don't make products, my monthly income isn't going to be impacted because I have like stuff created and stuff that's created different from last year. I mean, my kind of whole goal is to kind of create something new each year. And I also want to look into marketing. I'm thinking Pinterest. And I am wanting to look into that aspect to start marketing my resources. So this is kind of my to-do list for May. And then I'm thinking in June I will start making resources for August, September, October. Because I mean, if you think about, we have June and July, and then August is back to school. So we have really 2 good months where we can look at our shop and start making products. So this is my May to-do list. Please feel free to take a screenshot, take a picture of the screen, and work off this list. If you have any goals or video requests below, please leave a comment. And if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to also click the like button. I appreciate all the new subscribers that we have gotten over the last couple of months. You guys blew up the subscribers and the like counts and the comments and everything, and I really appreciate that. I will see you next time.